How to install latest Windows 11 without USB drive. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Windows 11 download and search for it. Navigate to this one website. Once you're over here, scroll down, click on this drop down and select Windows 11. Then click on Confirm. Now choose your product language, but make sure it matches your current system language. To check that, search for a command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type in this command prompt dism /online /get Intel. Then hit OK. Now you're gonna find your default language in your device. Now click on this drop down and select the language and click on Confirm. Now click on Confirm for the download process. The file will be downloaded. Once file has been downloaded, you will need to launch it. Click the ISO file and select Mount. If Mount does not work, use WinRAR to extract files. Then you can head over to this PC local disk C, create a new folder named Win11 and paste all the files inside. Now let's install Windows from those files. No USB needed. Open CMD as administrator. Go to File Explorer, C drive and select Win folder. In the CMD type in this command prompt. This command prompt starts the Windows installer while bypassing compatibility checks, perfect for unsupported PCs. Once the setup window appears, click Change How Setup Download Updates, select Not Right Now, click Next, accept the license, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. If you don't want to lose data, then click Install and that's it. Windows 11 will now install. After installation, go to C drive and delete the Win11 folder to free up space. You'll also see a folder called windows.old. Don't delete it if you plan to revert to Windows 10. And that's it. This is how you can easily install Windows 11 without a USB and keep all the data intact. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.